Give me those eyes of yours. Let me plant them in my fading forehead. Let me see myself as splendid. Give me those eyes of yours that can find me beautiful and can yearn and burn and kill. Give me those eyes of yours. Loving you, I love myself too, and it's your eyes I envy you. When I was first asked to write The Eighth Door, it was quite scary, really. I mean, I was locked in a room by myself for quite a few months. I started by making very detailed notes on Bartok's opera. I actually made a sort of graphic visual image of the structure of Bluebeard's castle and all of the different aspects of that I was interested in. And then I created a diagram, even though I hadn't written any music yet, I created a sort of structural diagram of The Eighth Door so that I could visually see what I was creating. Quite an important part of the process in the early days was finding poetry by Hungarian poets who Bartok and Balázs, the librettist of Bluebeard's Castle, both actually knew. And so it's kind of very interesting that the text which I've used in The Eighth Door and the text for Bluebeard's Castle, I think they're definitely of the same world. I sort of want to guide the audience through the piece. I think it's very easy with contemporary opera to slightly scare the audience off. I hope that by creating quite a lyrical journey through the piece that it will kind of lead the listener's ear from the start to the end of The Eighth Door. Working with Vanishing Point, it's been really exciting in finding a creative process and a way of making theatre which is very different from the kind of process you would usually find within the operatic world. I think it's a really healthy part of this ongoing process of discovering where opera is heading next.